All right, today in grade 4 maths, we are continuing with the addition of proper fractions. Addition of proper fractions. This is an exercise which is very, very simple. And to those who did the work yesterday, most of you, you did very well. You did not add the denominators, you only added numerators. This is all that is all about in addition of proper fractions. And as I had said yesterday, that proper fractions are fractions that has got smaller numerators than denominators. Denominators are bigger than numerators. And what are numerators? Numerators are all those numbers that are at the top of they are at the top of the fraction. All right. We may have as many different numerators and different denominators, but we cannot write different denominators when we are dealing with the same sum. The denominators should be the same, but numerators should be different. Let's look at that. There we are having 6/20 plus 4/20. The denominators are the same, they are all 20ths. But the numerators, we've got a 6, we've got a 4. So which means here we are saying 6 plus 4, which is going to be equal 10 over 20. Remember not to add the denominators. Our denominators remain the same, but we add the numerators. Okay. All right. Then let's go on. We'll find out that the difference with what we were doing yesterday and today is that today we want to add more than 3 fractions, more than 3 numbers. Like, let's look at this example. We are adding sevens. There we are saying 2 sevens plus 1 7 plus another 1 7. We are adding more than 2 fractions. With the addition, we can add as many fractions as we can. It's unlike multiplication, subtraction, or division. Addition, as long as these numbers are you are able to add. In fact, here we are having proper fractions. So we are adding all the numerators at the top, and our denominator doesn't change even if we have added more than 2 numbers. Here, what are we saying? We are saying 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 plus another 1, which is 4. So our answer becomes 4 7 with the same denominator. Are we following there? Tinotenda, can you hear that? Yes. Yes, we have to add 3 numbers. And also, we can have bigger, denominators, like this one, and they also have more than 2 numbers, 2 fractions. We can add, let's look at this one. We can add 14/50. That is 14 over 50 plus 25 over 50 plus 1 over 50. Then at the end of it all, when we have added all our numerators, the answer we get, we should have the numerator, which is going to be smaller than the denominator. May you please add, then show me your answers like this. Just show me 14 over 50, right? Big, plus 25 over 50 plus 1 over 50. Show me. You push forward like that. Let's work out the sum. Let us work it out and see what answer do we get. If you have got the answer, please show by lifting up your hand. Or show me on the screen. Show me. Where's the answer? 14 over 50. This is the sum which you are working. This one.
50. 40 over 50.
Who is talking? Right? And show me your answer. Show me. Who is that one? Who is this one? Poitumelo? Where's your answer? I've seen Poitumelo. Who is this one? Price. I've seen Price. Nina, please, you are seated like this. Please, can you find a chair where you will sit up straight? Nina?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't sleep in this. So please, next time use a kitchen chair where you will sit up straight. The chair which is like the ones we use at school. Don't sleep in the couch there. Let me see yours, Nicholas. Nicholas, push it. Nicholas, yes, I've seen yours. Tawana, yes. Poitumelo, yours, no. Please, yes, Ayanda, very good. Poitumelo, 8 again. Who is this one with this big one? Bethel, move. That side, Bethel, move. Can you write no, Bethel? No. Bethel, no. Yes, let me see yours. Where is yours? Yes, Luyanda, very good. Luyanda, very good. Who is this one? This one I just see Galaxy tab. Who is this one?
Me, teacher.
Chaka, all right. Who? Is it Uriel? Very good. Very good. Let me see. Good, brave. Yes. Yes, brave. Very good. Ashanti. Yes. Yes. Good. Nina, can I see yours? May I see yours, Nina? I haven't seen yours. Very good. Who is Ayanda? Very good, but over. Put that as a fraction. Ayanda, as a fraction. Put it as a fraction. Very good. Yes, Uriel is good. Is good. Who is this one? Who is this one? Which is takala? It's help.
It's no, teacher.
Who
It's
is this
Nina.
one? Nina, can you write
Nina.
one sum? Don't write it in many things. Just write the answer clearly. There are so many things that you have written there. Can you push, Bethel? Push forward. I want to see the answer. Yes, Bethel. Yes, now. Can you see what you had left? Very good now. Nicholas. Nick, very good, Nick. Brave, stop yawning. Show me your answer. Brave, stop yawning and show me your answer. Push it forward. Push it forward. Very good. Very good. Price, have I seen yours? Yours, Price. Push it forward. Forward, Price. Where is it? Price. Right, that is a fraction. Yes. Right. All right. All of you are doing fine. You are doing very, very well. You have to add correctly. See to it that if you are given more than 2 numbers, add all the numbers. Some of you I had seen you had forgotten that 1 over 50. Check that all the numbers that you are given are there, so that at the end you are going to get the correct answer. Now I would want you again to add these sums. Then you will tell me now the answer. I'm going to unmute you, but please don't make noise. Let us look at our denominator. As I said, we have to deal with bigger numbers. Bigger numbers. This one, let's work this one, 30, 100 yet. 30, this one, which is here, is 30, 100 yet, plus 40, 100 yet, plus 20, 100 yet. All under 100 yet. Let's write that work, Tanaka. Write the work. And then also, let's work out this one with bigger denominators. Bigger denominators. Number 1, let's work number 2 as well. Number 2 as well, which is 5 28ths plus 12 28ths plus 2 28ths. Don't forget the third one. The third one, don't forget it, please. Add it again as well. 15 28ths plus 12 28ths plus 2 28ths. That is number 2. Then number 3, let's add again this proper fraction. We should realize that it doesn't mean to say proper fractions should be smaller numbers. Big numbers should be proper fractions. So number 3, there is our number 3. Number 3, 6,500 years plus 1,500 years. Now, if you want to talk, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and then say the answer. Who has got number 1? Answer for number 1.
Yes, teacher.
Number 1.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Who is that one? Poitumelo, number 1.
90
Yes,
over
teacher.
100.
Let's listen, please. Listen. Let's listen to Poitumelo. Poitumelo?
90 over 100.
Yes. Let me see those who got it. 90, 100 yes. 90, you got that, Bethel, good. Tawana, yes. Price, yes. Brave, yes. Uriel, Luyanda. Ayanda, what did you get? You didn't get 9. What did you get, Ayanda? Yes. Yes, yes. Very good. Tino, what did you get? Tino 10. What?
19 over 100.
What did you? What I'm saying?
Number 2, 19 over 100.
I mean number 1, Tino, was still in number 1. What answer did you get in number 1?
20 over 100.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. 90 over 100. Right? The ones out of 50. Number 2, Nicholas. Have you got the answer? Nicholas?
Yes.
Yes. What answer do you have, Nicholas?
29 over 20.
Number 2.
Yes.
He's saying 29 over 20. Let me see those who got the same answer like Nicholas. Yes, Luyanda, you did. Poitumelo, you did. Uriel, you did. Ashanti, you did. Brave, I said unmute yourself. Brave. Unmute yourself. Yes, Price as well. Very good, Uriel. That's fine. Right. The third one. Number 3. What answer? The third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Bethel.
Yes, ma'am.
Bethel.
Yes, ma'am.
Bethel can tell us the answer.
So now what?
3. Number 3. What answer did you get?
70.
Was it 70?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Bethel.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No.
Let's see.
70 over. 70 over.
Ma'am, I have got the answer.
Let's hear Tino. Tino, tell us.
80 over 100.
It was 65. This one, is it 70? 6,500 is plus 15. Is it 70?
No, ma'am.
It's not 70. This one.
Yes.
What the answer is?
It is 8 over 100.
Yes, it is 800. Yes. Tanaka, what answer did you get?
The noise is starting.
Huh?
The noise is starting.
Tanaka, what answer did you get? The third one?
800 years.
Yes, 800. Yes. Please make sure you add the numerators correctly, because if you don't add the numerators correctly, you are going to get the wrong answer. All right. Okay. Now, I want each one of you to think of.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayanda, please listen when I'm talking. Ayanda, don't interrupt. Listen, I'll tell you when to talk. Okay. I'm giving instructions. You are talking. Don't talk. Right. I want each one of you think of your own proper fraction, your own denominator. 3 proper fractions and add them quickly. We don't have time. Think of your own denominator, your own numerators, add 3 proper fractions. I want to see who is going to be the first. Who is going to be the first? Tino, you heard what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you doing that?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do that quickly. Do that quickly. Your own, if you have, you lift up your hand, then show me. Yes, Bethel, show me. Show me. I hope you wrote very big. Big so that I can see. Where is it? Bethel 10, that one. Yes, Bethel, very good. Good, Bethel. Someone else? I thought you write very big. Big. Who is this one? Uriel? Let me see. No, don't push it back. Push it forward so that I see. The plus the yes, yes, very good. Ayanda, write it as a fraction. Write a fraction. Ayanda, your answer should be a fraction, because we are dealing with proper fraction. I've seen Bethel, Uriel, Ayanda, you cannot add. Look at your fraction now, Ayanda. It is not a proper fraction. It is an improper. We want proper. Whereby you are saying Numerators are smaller than denominators. When you see your numerator bigger than your denominator, it is no longer a proper fraction. Right? Proper fraction. Numerators smaller than denominators. All right, Luyanda, up. Luyanda, I can't see what you have written. Can you push up your paper? Push it up. I can't see. Luyanda, may you just write one sum which is clear, please? One which is clear. There are many there. I can't see. Let me see, Nicholas. Good. Let me see.
Because the noise is starting.
Uriel, please. Can we continue with learning? Uriel? Right? Let me see, Poitumelo. Yes, very good. Yes, Luyanda, now it's clear. Yes, Luyanda, very good. Good. Nina, let me see yours. Nicholas, right here. Nicholas, you are far away. Far away. Bring. Yes, Nicholas. Yes, very good. Who is that one? Tawana. Let me see yours, Ayanda. 10 20s plus 10 20s. Yes, write that as a fraction as well. Write that as a fraction as well. Very good, Nicholas. Good. Nicholas. No, Nicholas. Nicholas, your numerator is bigger than denominator. Can you see that? Can you see that, Nicholas? Your numerator is bigger than your denominator. Now that is not a proper fraction. That one is not a proper fraction. Try proper fraction where numerators are smaller than denominators. Have you seen that? Yes, right? Let me see. 33 over 20. Luyanda, check. Luyanda, you are saying 33 over 20. You are saying 33 over 20. The numerator should be smaller than the denominator. Yes, Ayanda, that is fine. What is yours, Tino Tender? Can you tell us yours? Tino? Tell us your answer, Tino Tender. Unmute yourself, Tino Tender, and tell us your answer.
Equals.
Tell us the whole sum and the answer.
4 quarters plus 4 quarters plus 3 quarters equals to 11 quarters.
Tino Tender. Tino.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that a proper fraction?
No.
What kind of fraction is that you have given us? What is 11 quarters, Tino? Tino, what kind of fraction is 11 quarters? Who can help Tino? If you know, lift up your hand so that I will unmute you. Unmute yourself, Bethel, and tell us what kind of fraction it is. Bethel, unmute Mute yourself.
Proper fraction.
Yes, Tinoten, that is an improper fraction. Who can explain what is an improper fraction? What is an improper? Yes, Tawana, unmute yourself and tell us.
An improper fraction is a fraction with a bigger numerator and a smaller denominator.
Yes, but here we are dealing with the proper. Tino, can you write us a fraction with a smaller denominator?